Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can silence unknown callers on WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp on my mobile phone. I'm going to click on this WhatsApp and then we have to go to our WhatsApp setting. Click on these three dots on the top right and then select the settings. In the settings, we need to go to the privacy. Then we have to scroll down until we find calls, and here you will be able to activate this feature to silence unknown callers on your WhatsApp. Click on this toggle button to activate it, and right after you activate this feature, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, but they will still be shown in the calls tab and in your notifications. So whenever you get the call from unknown number, you won't get notification from the WhatsApp. Alright guys, and that's all the way to silence unknown callers on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!